Hello everyone. Welcome once again to Academic Coordinates. This is a concluding video, right? As far as series is concerned, you know what I'm saying? So we spoke on this series in general, right? We spoke in general about what is series and how we can apply it, sigma notation and everything. So in this video, we are just gonna do 3 examples, right? So I trust you guys can see number A. Number A says calculate the value of x when you are given this, right? So we did stuff like this as to what does this actually mean, So this will be, if you just expand this, right? So the lower bound there, we're starting from k is equals to 1. So wherever there's k, we're gonna put 1. So x multiplied by 2 to the 1 minus 1, right? Then we continue. Then we're going to put it 2 now, wherever there's k, x multiplied by 2 to the power 2 minus 1, then plus x multiplied by 2 to the power 3 minus 1, right? Then all of this has got a value. It equals to 28, right? Okay, so let's just simplify now. Okay, x multiplied by 2 to the 0 plus x multiplied by 2. This is 2 minus 1, is 2 to the 1 plus x multiplied by 2. This is 3 minus 1, 3 squared. Sorry, 2 squared, right? Okay, that equals to 28. Okay, cool. So x multiplied by 2 to the 0, that is 2 to the 0 is 1. So x minus 1 is x plus x multiplied by 2 to the 1. So that is 2x plus x multiplied by 2 squared, that is 4x. This equals to 28, right? Okay, then we continue. So x plus 2x is 3x plus 4x is 7x. So 7x is equals to 28. So now to find x here, it's going to be, we're going to divide by 7 on both sides. So 28 divided by 7, that equals to 4. Okay? All right, cool. Let's continue, guys. The second thing we are exposed to, write or express the sum of the first 20 terms of the series in sigma notation. Okay, so basically there are some negative terms here. We can also write this. This can also be written as 11 plus 4 minus 3 minus 10, right? Okay, so they just told us that this is a series, but we will need to actually find out, is it a geometric series or is it an arithmetic series? It looks like an arithmetic series, but let's just confirm that, Okay, so 4 minus 11, that's negative 7. Negative 3 minus 4, that's negative 7. Negative 10 minus 3, that's negative 7. So let me just write it, negative 10 minus negative 3, this is negative 10 plus 3, which is negative 7. Trust you guys can see that. Okay, so basically the first 20 terms. Okay, cool. So where A is 11 and then D, which is the common difference, the common first difference between consecutive terms, D is negative 7, right? So we, go as, the old school. Tn is A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D, right? So Tn is equals to A is 11 plus n minus 1 multiplied by negative 7. This equals to, so 11 minus 7n, right? Then minus 1 multiplied by minus 7, that is 7, right? So our Tn now eventually equals to negative 7n. So, sorry, that's a positive. So 11 plus 7, that's 18 plus 18. Okay, so now that we have found this, we can express it in the sigma notation. So our Tn is here, negative 7n plus 18, right? Okay, so they say the first 20 terms. So our n, we're going to start from the first term. Our n, the lower bound will be from n equals to 1 until 20. So this is how you guys express this, you know. Okay, then lastly, express the first, right, or express the first 100 natural, right, and odd numbers, right, in sigma notation. So for this, you need to know what are natural numbers, you need to know what are odd numbers, right? So they say the first 100, you know. So basically, the odd numbers is gonna be 1, 2 is not an odd number, so we're gonna jump 2. Then the next one is gonna be 3, and these are natural numbers, right? Then what about 4? We're gonna jump 4. 4 is an even number, so we're gonna go to 5. Plus, what about 6? We jump 6. 6 is an even number, and then we go to what? 7, right? We're gonna keep on adding. As we are adding, they said the first 100 natural and odd numbers. So we're going to keep on adding. Then the last number, okay, you do not have to do this, but I just, you know, have to just put it out there. The first 100, you know, so the last number here is going to be 99, right? Not 100. 100 is an even number. Okay, looking at this looks like an arithmetic series, right? 3 minus 1 is 2, and 5 minus 3 is 2, right? So our A equals to 1 and our D equals to 2, right? So Tn is equals to, what is our Tn? Tn is equals to A is 1 plus n minus 1. What is D? D is 2. So we continue, then 1 plus 2n minus 2. So Tn equals to 2n, so 1 minus 2 minus 1, right? Okay, cool. So let's express it now. Our Tn is 2n minus 1, right? So we start from n right here. So it's actually the first 100 terms, you know what I'm saying? So basically we start from n is equals to 1 until 100, you know what I'm saying? So this is how we express this, you know. And also guys, as far as these are concerned, here we are speaking about odd numbers, you know. So 2n minus 2 has to be an odd number, all right? Just, you know, let me write this in another column. All right, what do you think is 2n plus 1? Do you think that's an odd number? Yes, it is an odd number. So can you maybe just write in the comments, if you can, how will you express this? You know, what will be the value for n here, the lower bound, and here, right? So it's not gonna be this. Let me just put it out there now before you guys can, you know, get excited. This will have a different value. The lower bound and the upper bound will have a different value. So just, you know, write in the comments if you can, you know, just research that. Do stay blessed and enjoy the rest of your day.